The human body is dynamic and diverse, allowing for movement including sitting, standing, walking, running, lifting, and twisting. The ability to perform all these actions is possible because the human body has a strong framework, the skeleton. It consists of approximately 260 bones and other associated tissues such as cartilage, ligaments, menisces, tendons, and that help stabilize, cushion, or connect the bones. The most well-known function of the skeleton is support of the body against gravity, but it has several other important functions such as storage of minerals, lipids, blood, cell protection, protection of internal organs, and protection of movement. First bone we'll be talking about is the flat bone. The bone is flatter and thin with a greater surface area than other bones. Their main function of these bones is extensive protection, provision of broad surfaces for muscular attachment. Some examples within the body are the cranium and sternum. So we'll be labeling those. So we'll do the frontal for the flat bone and the sternum. Some fun facts about these bones is these bones are made of a spongy bone between two thin layers of compact bone. These bones contain marrow, but there is no marrow cavity. The second bone we were talking about is the short bone. The length of the bone is approximately equal to the width. The main function of this bone is to support and stability with little to no movement. Some examples are carpal and tarsals. So we'll be labeling those in pink. We'll find it right here and right here. This is also known as the wrist. Those are the short bones within the body. Some fun facts about these bones. There are 260 of them in the human body. 26 of them are in the human foot. The human wrist contains about 54 of these bones. The next bones we will be talking about are regular bones. The bones have complex features such as notches, bridges, or cinched shapes. The purpose of these bones is protection of the nervous tissue, muscle attachment, and maintaining the pharynx and trachea support. Some examples within this model and the human body are the vertebrae. These will be the regular bones will be labeled in orange, and the mandible. Some fun facts about these bones is the human spine consists of 33 irregular bones. They consist of cancellous tissue within a thin layer of a compact bone. Lastly, we have the long bone. The length of the bone is greater than the width. The bones are hard and dense. These bones provide strength, mobility, and structure. These bones have two ends and a shaft. Some examples within the human body are the femur and phalanges. Long bones will be listed in yellow. So there's examples of those. Once again, flat bones are in green, irregular bones in orange, short bones pink, there's the last short bone, and long bones in yellow. Some fun facts about long bones. Some bones in the fingers are classified as long bones even though they are short in length. These bones contain yellow marrow and red marrow.